Hello guys, how are you all? This is Aman. Welcome back on my YouTube channel Code by Aman. So guys, in this video tutorial, I am going to talking about CMD related error. So first of all, open your CMD using Windows plus R key. Then type here CMD, then enter. Then after that, guys, first of all, zoom it and type CD desktop. Then enter. After that, guys, you can see the error here. The system cannot find the file specified. Yeah, this error. So close this command prompt and create the new folder on desktop. Yeah, then go to properties of new folder. Yeah, then you can see guys the path location. See user Aman Tiwari contact desktop. So guys, you can see before desktop here the contact. See guys, this is the part of location. So again, open CMD. Then firstly, before desktop you type here cd contact. Yeah, after that type desktop cd desktop, then enter, and then type here directory. After that guys, you can see the your all command is work properly. So this video is really helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel for further video notification. Thanks for watching guys.